The 2026 Citroën Berlingo remains a benchmark in the multi-purpose vehicle (MPV) segment, offering a blend of practicality, efficiency, and modern technology. Known for its functional design, the Berlingo continues to cater to both family and commercial users with its spacious cabin and modular seating configurations. The vehicle retains its signature sliding side doors, facilitating easy access in confined spaces, an essential feature for urban environments. With seating for up to 7 passengers and a generous cargo area, the Berlingo upholds its reputation as a highly adaptable and user-friendly vehicle, suited for a wide range of applications. From a performance standpoint, the 2026 Berlingo is expected to build upon the efficiency and reliability of its predecessors. Citroën has historically offered a variety of powertrains, including petrol, diesel, and fully electric options, with the latter gaining increasing prominence due to global trends in sustainability. The electric version, in particular, provides a quiet and refined driving experience, making it a viable choice for city dwellers and environmentally conscious consumers. The vehicle's suspension is tuned for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride over various road conditions, while its predictable handling and stability reinforce its status as a dependable transport solution. The technological advancements within the 2026 Berlingo further enhance its appeal. Citroën has integrated a more sophisticated infotainment system with an intuitive user interface, ensuring seamless connectivity and ease of use. Moreover, the vehicle is expected to include an array of safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, aligning with industry standards for driver assistance systems. Given its continuous improvements in comfort, efficiency, and safety, the 2026 Citroën Berlingo remains a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and reliable MPV.